Well, good morning, dear colleagues. Thank you, dear Pascal, for your very interesting remarks and for your tireless work as a Vice President and also Special Representative of the Mediterranean. Well, Excellencies, fellow parliamentarians, ladies and gentlemen, and dear friends, at the outset, let me thank the authorities of the Kingdom of Morocco for hosting us today in this beautiful venue. In particular, Hakim Bechamash, the Speaker of House of Councillors, Mohamed El Bakouri and Abdelkrim El-Hams, leaders of the GA delegation, for their tireless efforts to make this event happen. And I'd like to greet many colleagues here, many delegations here in this hall, starting from the United States, Canada, and Central Asian delegations, and of course our friends who returned back in different capacities, but they are with us, like our distinguished colleague and friend Makis Voridis, now Minister of Rural Development and Food in Greece, and previously been for a long time one of the leaders of this assembly. I'm particularly glad that this year's forum takes place in the country facing the Mediterranean, and confident that our presence here today can prove very well how much the OSCE values its Mediterranean partnership. In this regard, let me once again thank Senator Pascal Amizak for his outstanding work as Special Representative of Mediterranean affairs. As you know, centuries ago, when the Romans were settled in both Southern Europe and North Africa, they used to call the Mediterranean Mare Nostrum, our sea, because it was almost like a big lake within the same region. By meeting here today, we wish to stress that also the OSCE, the Mediterranean, is the sort of Mare Nostrum. The Mediterranean is not a border. It is not something separating us and them. Rather, it is something uniting us, uniting different societies that are looking for the same peace, stability, and security. In fact, both shores of this beautiful sea are facing similar challenges, including unprecedented migration flows, terrorist threats, and the impact of climate change, as well as the same socio-economic opportunities. These all need to be addressed jointly, north and south of the Mediterranean together, because common challenges, and I said many times, require common solutions. This is also why we chose for this forum the topic of North-South cooperation models and economic connectivity of the Mediterranean region in a globalized world. I expect interesting discussions, concrete ideas, and a step forward in our partnership. As parliamentarians, we are very well placed to build bridges between institutions and societies on the two sides of the Mediterranean. And I'm confident that the intense parliamentary exchanges of these days in Marrakech will prove instrumental in this regard, and we will continue to strengthen our ties and friendship. I don't want to take time away from our distinguished speakers. Let me just reiterate that OSCE Parliamentary Assembly highly values the role of OSCE Mediterranean Partnership. Our cooperation is mutually enriching and beneficial, and we will continue to explore new avenues to make it even stronger. Thank you once again, and I wish you all a very good afternoon. Shukran.